says, baah-boo, soft and low, in the field where daisies grow. Farmer Mac has a happy farm, let's all take a look. Farmer Mac has a sunny farm, come and say hello. And on that farm he has a pig, rolling to and fro. The pig says, snort, snort, loud and round, digging playfully in the ground. Farmer Mac has a sunny farm, come and say hello. Farmer Mac has a splashing pond where the duckies play. A yellow duck with tiny feet paddles all the way. The duck says, wibble, whack with glee, splashing water joyfully. Farmer Mac has a splashing pond where the duckies play. Farmer Mac has a big red barn where the horses trot. And in that barn a happy horse gallops on the spot. The horse says, click, clack, as it runs, racing round just for fun. Farmer Mac has a big red barn where the horses trot. Farmer Mac's land is full of friends, sounds from here to there. With baah-boo, snore, wibble whack.